Hi everyone. Today I am telling you about English communication. Firstly, how are you all? Because many people says to me, I can't speak English. I know about English but I can't speak English. When I was standing in front of somebody, I can't express my thoughts. So dear, please leave this type of hesitation. Firstly, when you trying to speak English, you will have to face some problems like hesitation and nervousness. But you should one thing keep in your mind. If you concentrate on your study, on your English communication, you neglected you about your weakness, because weakness is very harmful for me and for every human beings. We should keep trying and learning also, because English is a very good language. English is not very difficult, but somebody think English is a difficult language, and we can't able to speaking English, because this is very wrong ideas. You can speak English and you are able to speak English. I am not able to speak English, because when I was in 10-year-old, I can't think one day I will speak English and I will make you explain, because English is a very important language for everyone. Because when we went to out of city and when will we go to out of our country, then we have to need English communication, because English is a main language to speak over world. So please keep learning and keep practicing, because firstly you will have to work hard. Without hard working, without dedication, you can't achieve this aim, because sooner or later you will be able to speak English. But if you not concentrate and if you not focus on your English, you will never speak English, because English is a practicing language. uh, no matter how intelligent you are, the matter is this: how much practice do you do in whole day? So please keep practicing. Nowadays coronavirus is a big problem of every human beings, and in India also coming second disease has been come. The name is black fungus. Black fungus is very harmful for every human beings. The black fungus attack on my eye part. When they attack on my eye part, my eye is weak and we can't see anything very clearly. So please stay home and stay safe. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.